everyone. It's Miss Sorensen and Mr. Zeke here. He's playing next to me. We are going to be doing some more math flashcards. It's going to be a little different from the last couple of weeks. We were doing flashcards thinking about 10 frames, using the tool of 10 frames to think through or to visualize what different numbers look like. This week we're going to be using flashcards that look like this. What sign does this mean? What kind of math problem or math number sentences are we doing? Right, addition. We see that plus sign, we know we are adding or doing addition. So we're going to be using flashcards like this, and I'm going to be picking random flashcards, and we are going to be using the strategies that we have been talking about with Mr. Gallagher and I in our math videos, like counting in our heads, counting with our fingers, using the dot counting, and which we will be learning about today, I believe, thinking what day it is in our math sequence. I think so. And then, or last week, using counting with dots, just like, yeah. So we'll be doing that, or you can use counters like we've been doing in math, and what other strategies that work for you? Any other strategies? I'm going to use counters just because it's easier to see. So using these pennies, Mr. Gallagher gave me this great tool so I can show you my pennies like this. Instead of having the camera down on my workspace, it's harder for my computer to open and close, so I thought I would show you with this. So I'm going to be representing the numbers on my flashcards with pennies. So for instance, if I had 1 plus 1, and then we remember that line underneath means equals, 1 plus 1 equals, first I would show, here, I can put my card right here, 1 plus, I'm going to put a 1 over here, I can get it in there. There we go. So you see my 1 and my 1, I'm going to push them together like this, and then I'm going to count them together. 1, 2. So we're just going to be using I'm going to use my pennies, and you can use whatever strategy that works best for your thinking to work through a few flashcards every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so let's begin. Having your counters, if that's what works for you, or just getting your supplies out right now. If you would like to use your counters, come here, see, you're making a lot of noise, my friend. So using your counters, if you need your whiteboard or a blank piece of paper, getting that out, pen, pencil, or just using your brain, tools that you need you're getting out right now. Okay. I have my big stack of flashcards here. I'm just going to choose randomly in my cards, finding a random one. Okay. I think I found a good one here. Okay. I'm going to show you the card, and then I want you to try and figure it out yourself first, and I will show you next on my blue board. Okay, so showing 1 plus 8, or thinking about 1 plus 8, or showing it on your paper or with your counters, thinking through 1 plus 8, and then seeing if you can figure out what 1 plus 8 equals. 1 plus 8. Put it right here on my board. 1 plus 8. Okay, and always remember, if you need extra time, to pause the video and do your thing, and then you can restart it again when you are ready. Okay, I'm going to start putting my counters on my board. So I see my first addend is a 1. So I'm going to put my 1 here. And then over here, I'm going to put my second addend, which is an 8. Right. Okay, so counting out 1. I'll figure out a good strategy for this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so double checking my work. I have 1 for the first add-in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies. Okay, I'm going to slide these all together. Kind of. I'll slide this one because I know it's easiest. Okay, so 1 and then 8 more. Let's count all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Right. Okay. Clear your boards. Clearing out my board. Okay. Finding my next card here. Oh, okay. I found a good one. Here we go. Are you ready? 5 plus, it's our second add-end. 5, right. 5 and 5 more is, okay, showing me on your board or on thinking about the problem in your head or using your counters, finding the answer to this. I'll put it up here. 5 and 5 more equals, figuring that out. Okay, I'm going to start putting my pennies on, thinking about my first add-in, which is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my second add-in, I have how many? 5, right? 1, putting a little space. Oh, thanks for the help, Zeke. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, double checking. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right, Zeke? 5, you see 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? We double checked our work? Nice. Okay, so 5 and 5 more. Try and push these together. Okay, push them together. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you also get 10? Right. 5 and 5 more equals 10. Right. 10 is our sum. Okay. Clearing our board. Sorry, Zeke. Okay. Cleared my board. Looking for my next. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay. Our next one. Are you ready? What does this say? Let's read it together. 2 plus 4 equals, 2 plus 4 equals, okay, let's figure it out. Using the strategy that works best for you, figuring out 2 plus 4 equals, what do you think, Zeke? What are you thinking? Think pennies work best for you too? Okay, we'll keep using pennies. Okay, so I'm seeing my first add-in is a 2. Okay, so I need 2 pennies. Does that make sense, Zeke? 2 pennies? Yeah, 1, 2. Okay, so I see 1, 2, double checking my 2. And then my second add end is a 4, right? Okay, Zeke, you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double checking. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have 2 and 4 more make or equal, pushing them together. Let's count. You ready, Zeke? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Did you also get 6? Right, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got it. So 2 and 4 more equals how many, Zeke? 6. He's cleaning himself now. Okay, clear your board. Last one for today. Oops, dropped a penny on the floor. Okay, are you gonna try and find it, Zeke? Here's my pennies. Okay, my board is clear. Let's find our next one. Finding our next one. Oh, here's a good one. Okay, are you ready? Let's read it together. 6 plus 2 equals, let's figure it out. Using your strategy that works best for you. 6 plus 2 equals, should we keep using our pennies, Zeke? Yeah? I think Zeke thinks we should keep using our pennies. He really likes to play with them too. Huh, Zeke? Okay, so our first add end is 6, right? Can I use that penny? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we have our first add end, which is 6, and our second add end is a 2, right? Okay, so I have 1, 2, double checking. 1, 2. Okay, so 6 and 2 more together. Ooh. Can't stand on the computer there, my friend. Okay, double checking all together, or checking all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if we didn't push them together, we could think to ourselves, 6 and 2 more. So we could go counting up, we could go 6, 7, 8. We double checked. 6, 7, 8. Okay, everyone, nice work. We're gonna keep doing this math thinking with our addition flashcards for a little while, and then I have some subtraction flashcards that we can try together later. Okay, nice work, and I will see you later for some more videos. Bye, everyone.